Chef Pino Maffeo is an award-winning chef with an impressive culinary background and a unique food philosophy. An East Boston native, he gravitated to the kitchen at an early age. After attending Newberry College, Chef Maffeo proceeded to a cross-country culinary voyage, most notably with stops in San Francisco and New York City. Over those years, he acquired many accolades. He also worked with some great culinary legends, including Patricia Yo and Marc Forgione. In 2004, he returned to Boston and opened Restaurant L in Louis Boston on Newbury Street. In its first year, Restaurant L won numerous awards. It was not only one of the most acclaimed new restaurants in the country, but Chef Maffeo was also chosen by Food & Wine magazine as one of the best new chefs in America. He also appeared on many national and local television shows, as well as countless publications. Thereafter, Chef Pino teamed up with Donato Rattori at Lucia's in Winchester, taking Italian classics to a whole new level. Today, his culinary talents can be found in the North End as the executive chef of Mollo. He can also be found assisting Donato at Victory Point in Marina Bay. Chef Maffeo focuses on the freshest, locally sourced seafood to create memorable dishes inspired by the Mediterranean and the New England coast. He has a relentless pursuit for perfection, which derives from his lifetime quest for excellence.
I love discovering new food flavors. For years, I've been working on a food algorithm, a mathematical food map in which numbers give the answers to new food combinations. I also love the camaraderie between chefs here in Boston and all over the world. It's a bond I could not live without.
Pino is proud to work with great staff members who share his passions and vision for delivering a great dining experience. Furthermore, he is equally as proud to represent his restaurant's philanthropic efforts in the community. From the incredible Taste of the North End to Jocelyn Diabetes Centers, among many causes.
Il Mollo is successful because we keep it simple. I always teach my cooks less is more. The most important ingredient in a dish is the one we leave out. Donato Frateroli, Dee and I surround ourselves with passionate people. And most of all, we do not take our guests for granted. This is Il Mollo's secret. That's what drives me. Salute.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2020 Executive Chef of the Year, Pino Maffeo.